Inside the chrysalis, something's happening, a metamorphosis, a magical thing. The body's transforming, completely brand new. From caterpillar to butterfly, it's true. Pumping fluid, spreading wide, ready to soar with grace and pride. From egg to caterpillar, munching all day, growing and changing in every way. Chrysalis wrapping magic inside, transformation happening, nowhere to hide. Wings unfold, the butterfly flies, wonder and beauty before our eyes. The cycle continues, life goes on, from dusk to the break of dawn. Egg to butterfly, the journey's complete. A story of transformation so sweet.